powerful and portable, the Aspire 5 laptop delivers on every aspect of everyday computing. Housing the AMD Ryzen 3 3200U mobile processor, this Aspire 5 can tackle any job no matter how complex. It's the perfect companion to take with you wherever you go. With Windows 10 in S mode, you'll experience fast startups, a familiar yet expanded start menu, and great new ways to get stuff done. And with automatic updates enabled, you get all the latest features and security hassle-free. Travel with ease and look great doing it with the Aspire 5 thin, light design and aluminium top cover. This slender laptop is just 0.71 inches thin, and its smooth finish accentuates the cover's premium feel and appearance. Your device stays at your side all day with up to 7.5 hours of battery life. The narrow bezel design offers more real estate for amazing images. Crisp, true-to-life colors come alive on a 15.6 Full HD IPS display with Acer Color Intelligence. Keep your eyes free from strain and watch or work for long sessions using Acer Blue Light Shield. The Aspire 5 delivers desktop-class performance with the AMD Ryzen 3 3200U mobile processor with Radeon Vega 3 graphics, enabling powerful performance and amazing battery life. Work comfortably in any environment with the convenience of a backlit keyboard, designed for superior performance that lasts. Startups are quick and built to stay that way. With Microsoft Edge, your online experience runs fast and safe. Stream full HD video, switch across apps and stay productive on the go.